Hello everybody. Today I will briefly tell you about my new Styrofoam boat, which I made this autumn for fishing and duck hunting, and also about drill powered electric motor, which I made for that boat also. Stay with me and enjoy looking at that video. Just like the great sculptor Michelangelo took a marble and cut off all that was unnecessary and get a sculpture, so I did with a sheet of styrofoam. Do you want to know how to stay in great physical shape after 50? That's how to stay. After removing the excess, we glue the missing, and so on several times. By grinding and sewing off the excess and gluing what's missing, we get closer and closer to our ideal form. Turn and bow we reinforce with plywood. Then we sand the workpiece, all the workpiece, with sandpaper. To prevent the styrofoam from dissolving by the epoxy resin, we cover it with PVA glue. Once I saw a mahogany door threshold in a trash bin, and I think to myself, what a wonderful board!
Yes.
The next step, to cover the body with fiberglass cloth and epoxy resin. When resin is dry, we painting it. Then we turn our board. and repeat all the gluing and painting process over the other side. Next we glue the inserts for the railings and cleats, and then that railings and cleats too. Next step, painting with camouflage colors. How to make a drill-powered motor? We take a mop handle, insert shaft, fix built-in propeller from one side, then attach a screwdriver from another side, and that's it. Adjusting my sitting place. Looks quite okay. I'm a little bit late with my sneak boat, and most of the ducks have flown away, so there will be no real hunting today from that hide place. I just show you how that sneak boat or stealth boat should look like in hunting time. If you add local grass, sedge, some leaves or branches to the net, it gives a more impressive camouflage. Just a short coffee break. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I will make more videos for you. Now you can see the very first test drive of my boat with drill powered motors. Looks quite okay for the first time. I would like to have a propeller with a little bit smaller pitch, or we need to reduce a little bit speed of the drill, so we will keep thinking. But it works, it works. If you already go out on the water, how can you not to fish? So let's catch a fish, big or very big.
Okay. Good fishing.
Time to go home. It's very comfortable and convenient boat. I can load and unload it alone with no problem. Okay, folks, looks like that's all for today. If you have some question, ask. I will answer. Subscribe on my channel, share my video, like it, and see you next time. Bye.